Welcome to our 2009 Motocross Shootout at Racetown 395. 2009 Suzuki RMC 450, totally unchanged from 08. Last year we loved it. This year it's still a great bike. It weighs 250 pounds, so it ties with the Kawasaki as being the heaviest bike. But when you're on it, you wouldn't even know it because out of the 4 bikes, it feels the most compact. Power is really friendly. Power is totally linear. It's the most linear power-making motorcycle of all of them. There's absolutely no hit. It just makes power all the way through the rev range. It really allows like a novice rider like me to kind of feel comfortable and doesn't wear me out so much for a fuel-injected bike. Suspension action on the bike is fantastic. The fork has great action. It moves really supplely and smoothly. Same thing with the rear shock. Pro taper bars again, really nice. I'm a tall rider, 6 foot tall, can get my weight far forward really easily. Suzuki also has really wide foot pegs, just like the Yamaha, and like I said, just provides a real stable base, lets you move around the bike really quickly, and also absorbs the impact of landing jumps just really well.
Front end feels a little harsh, it feels like it pushes out, but the motor overall was there. It was quite like the Cali, but not as hard snapping. Suspension just felt more, it's a little bit set up for the heavier rider like my size. The fuel injection made a big difference. The throttle was there right when you got on it. Just one downfall I didn't like about it was the pushing in the turns. But other than that, it was a good bike also.
Pretty decent bike, nice and manageable, fairly light on the steering, turns in pretty good. Power is like nice, not too crazy, has enough to do whatever you need, but you can definitely tell the thing's fuel injected. It's there when you need it. The thing was maybe a little bit stiff for my weight, about 155, 160 pounds. Otherwise, pretty good brakes. Overall, pretty flickable, just a little bit more effort in the air, but like the thing a lot.